money, Daddy.
What up? It's OD and I'm back with another video. And today I got the ZISO HDMI splitter and switcher. And this works with the 4K. Now, they have other ones out there that work with 4K, but this is the 4K 60 Hertz. So that way you can use it with the Xbox, PlayStation, all other gaming systems. If you're using a monitor and it has like 2 ports and you want more ports, you can use this. Or if you're splitting the signal, you know what I mean, from different consoles to a capture card or something like that, you can use this. So it's pretty dope and pretty cool how it works and everything, based upon, you know, reading the lecture and the scriptures and everything else online. So what we're going to do is we're going to unbox this thing and we're going to see how it really works and see if it works for you and for me. Alright, so let's get this cracked on open. Let's see what it do inside. This knife be cutting the boxes too much. Alright. Double flap. So we got the splitter right here. Comes the power cord, the remote, which is pretty cool. I like that. I have to get it from my chair. So that's pretty dope. Got different sound passages, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and let's look at this right here. So you can see 1, 2, 3, HDMI's in, and there's the one out. Optical cable, stereo in the front here. That's our blaster, pass-throughs, let you know what's going through. And we got different audio splitters here. We got the power button itself. So that's pretty dope. That's pretty dope right there. So we're gonna hook it up, see what it do, how it works, and everything else. Got a little ventilation. Alright, so power cord, everything. And then we got the literature, so, you know, if something happens, you know what the fuck you doing, you can read that. Box has none of action on it. Alright, so let's go hook this thing on up and see how I do. So we hooked up everything, basically just to let you see how this thing works, you know, give you my opinion on it, my little short opinion. So here's basically a test. I hooked both of them. I hooked the Xbox One X and the PlayStation Pro to the device, just so you can see that it kept the resolution, especially on the PlayStation, because it usually drops, because PlayStation is usually, you know, real 4K, other than the PlayStation. Excuse me, Xbox is real 4K other than the PlayStation, my bad. So this is the PlayStation right here, and I'm gonna show you on the display that is set to 4K. Now I'm gonna press the button to switch it over. Now it goes out for a little second. Oh, 1 to 3. Hold on, gotta press it again. Because it cycles through. There's 3 ports, so it cycles through. Press it again. Now I'm on the Xbox. As you can see, it says 4K. So with this box going at the 60 Hertz, this is the best box you can use if you have an Xbox One X and you want to basically be able to switch over if you don't have that many HDMIs. Now some people are rocking monitors. Some monitors come with 3 ports, 4 ports. So you could live off a monitor, but you might not have enough ports. TVs like this one come with 4 ports. Sometimes on TVs, no matter how much you pay, well, if you're paying the $2,000-3,000, then you should have all the ports be 4K, because some ports are not. Your TV would tell you like, oh, this port, only port 1 or only port 2 supports 4K at 60 hertz, and port 2, 3, and 4 don't, or port 1, 3, and 4 don't. So that's why these splitters are very important. You don't want to get the wrong one either. It might say 4K, but it's not going to do 4K at 60 hertz. A lot of them do 4K at 30 hertz, so you end up being stuck. So make sure you buy the right one. Again, leave everything in the description where you can get it from. I got this from Amazon, and basically you just want to make sure you get the right thing if you need this device. So that's basically it. My opinions on it so far: it seems easy and fluent. Pressing the buttons, hooking everything up, had no hassle, no problems so far. And if I have any problems, I'm gonna let you know if I'm still rocking with it or not, and keep you up to date. Now for me, I may still use it. I'm probably use it for the monitor in my office, because I like to play everything off the monitor in there. I feel like games play better off of monitors, a little faster, whatever. That's a whole different story. But what I was trying to do was connect something a little more fluent for myself. I have this port right here. The splitter right here, and that's from the Xbox. And what I wanted it to do was split off from the TV to this device, and this device was going to go out to my capture card. But the capture card can only go at 1080p. It can't handle the high resolution, and I was hoping that the splitter would have dumbed it down from the second splitter, but it didn't. It carried the signal raw, so therefore the capture card could not still use the image. So I have to try to find another way to make this work, or I'm just gonna have to buy another capture card, one that's a PCI slot, and build probably a small computer just to do my captures. But yeah, that's really about it. Now I got my gaming channel out. I want to start streaming, but time is a little hectic for me. But what I've been doing is taking clips of different games. Right now it's Monster Hunter, and putting it up there. I'll leave a link in the description too for that channel, and that way you can check those out. Some people wanted me to start playing video games, show you my skills, show you some things you never seen before, whatever, depending on what you into. But definitely, let y'all see what I do. But yeah, this is my little setup here where I capture stuff. I try to do my little thing, try to do a bit. But anyway, I'm out of here chit-chatting too much. It's fucking 1:30 a.m. in the morning. This is how much I'm up at late for y'all guys, I'm trying to, give y'all the knowledge and put it out there. If you have any questions for your boy, you know what to do. Holla at me, hit them comments. And all the haters, please stay off my joint. I don't need no riders. And that's about it. Alright, man. I'll holla at y'all later. Easy.
Watch me, ooh, watch me, ooh, watch me, ooh, okay.